Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable S-Corp payroll setup in Gusto for shareholder salaries, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable S-Corp payroll setup in Gusto for shareholder salaries, begin by logging into your Gusto account. Once logged in, navigate to the payroll section from the main dashboard. Click on the settings option located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, locate the company tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the S-Corporation section. Here, you will need to confirm your S-Corporation status. If it's not already set, check the box indicating that your company is an S-Corp. Next, proceed to the Employees tab in the Payroll section. Select the shareholder that you wish to set up for payroll. If the shareholder is not already added as an employee, click on Add Employee and fill in their details. Once the shareholder is selected, scroll down to the Compensation section. Here, choose Salary as the compensation type for this shareholder. Enter the desired salary amount in the provided field. Make sure to adjust the pay schedule according to your preference. Next, verify the withholding options to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Confirm that the shareholder is classified correctly for tax purposes. Once all information is entered and verified, save the changes. Now, you can schedule payroll runs as needed. To process payroll, return to the main payroll section. Select the employees whose payroll you wish to run this period. Review the payroll summary for accuracy before proceeding. Finally, process the payroll and ensure the shareholder receives their salary on time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.